This video was published by mbkpinternational.com. In this video we're going to talk about the replacing the main board, a little trick, a little tip for you. They got these screws here, and they got these plastic spacers here that you put there. Some people have trouble getting the plastic spacers in when you're putting the board in there, because you got to fish them under there and stuff. So a little tip to keep them on: just put your screw through. I've already did these three, and you just get yourself a small amount. If you got any like thick grease, just like bearing grease, just a very small amount it's going to take. And basically you're just going to put just on the tip of the threads here, and it's just going to help keep these spacers on. You could use a touch of glue if you had it. I wouldn't use much though, because you want to be able to get it off someday too. Like not strong glue, not like super glue, but maybe a little bit of Elmer's glue or something. But just very small amount, because like I said, you may want to get it off someday. As you can see, all these spacers, they're not falling off right now. So, and you got your 4 holes in there, 4 screw holes that are threaded. And so basically I'm going to be putting this in there and kind of lifting up some of the wires and setting these 2 down, getting these wires out of the way, and setting the next 2 pins down. There you go. Now they're all down on top of the spacers. Now you just got to kind of slide it over until you get to the holes. Things. I think I'm on it one of them right now. And see, there's one going in. I'll get another one started over here. I'm just gonna fish for those holes. But see, now you got they're all in. All the spaces are under there. If you didn't do it this way, you got to slide the spacers under a little bit and try to fish it and bag. It's just a little more difficult that way. If you got something like I just did, you can just get them all on there and they kind of stick there with a little thick grease, or again, you could use just a small amount of maybe white Elmer's glue, a very small amount, so you could take it off later if you need it to. And that's basically it. We got another board for replacing the main board. I just want to show you a little tip on getting those white spacers on. This video is published by mbkpinternational.com.